Hey beauties, if you've been struggling to bring your natural curls back after straightening and don't have time for an elaborate routine, this video is just for you. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. I had this part just twisted back and I've been wearing it like the half style. Oh god, hold on. Oh god. I was wearing the, you know what I'm saying, the half and half type style looks, mainly just in a bun. But oh my god. But yeah. So before that I had straightened it and hit it with a hot comb, and it's time. This is cute though. Alright you guys, so I'll probably pause the video. I don't got a call. I'm sure. But yeah, this is my hair. This is how much is reverted, and I've sprayed it with my aloe every now and then. I really like how it looks. I mean, I had cut my end, so it probably does look a little more structured, but I don't know. I think it's cute. But it is about to turn to an afro, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to flat iron it again. Like, it's just easier. It's just easier. So let's get it started. So for conditioner, you guys, look at this. This, OMG, like, I don't know what. I'm trying to recreate something like this. That's what I'm trying to do. Like this, what it does to your curls. And then like this mixed with my hair care system, like, I don't know. It makes your hair super soft. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let's revert. Let's go. Hey, if you decided to join me, thank you. Go ahead and hit that like button and share this video with a family and friend. And if you enjoy content for the busy woman's lifestyle, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you know when I post. Alright beauties, so I did a regular wash and condition off camera. After that, I let my hair dry for about 10 minutes. So the first thing I do is go in with my favorite oil, which is the moringa and tea tree oil. This oil is available for purchase on my website, and it can be found in the description below. I actually really do love this oil. After any protective style or any heat style, it just gets my scalp right back to health. No itchiness, no dandruff, nothing. Just a nice, clean, moisturized scalp. After adding your oil, you want to go in with your favorite leave-in conditioner cream, curling cream, or both. I am using my Grow Strong Moisturizing Hair Cream, which is found on my website as well. Now, a key tip for stretching hair is first learning different ways to stretch your hair, so you can see which is easier and a better lifestyle fit to help you keep tighter, coarser hair stretch for faster styling and less tangles and single strand knots that we all hate. I know on this channel we are very busy and sometimes find it hard to find that little slice of time to get ourselves back together or keeping up with the maintenance and health of our skin, nails, and hair. But just a few minutes once a week or even 2 weeks can make a huge difference for you, spiritually, mentally, and physically. So don't forget to make yourself a priority. Speaking on priorities, I want to touch base on this a little more because this is something I myself am working on. I know as women with multiple roles, we can get lost in everything and everyone but ourselves. And that is not what we want to do. We want to make sure we are showing up as our best selves and overflowing so we can pour intentionally into those we love and care about. So I am in the process of actually working on some kind of self-care calendar or journal, and as soon as I have it, I definitely will share it with you guys because I do want to keep a closer track on my hair and my skin's health and making sure I'm staying consistent so I can see the results I'm looking for. So like I said, I typically do a quick stretch method, which is the 2-strand twist. I just wash and condition my hair, put them in a chunkier style. I don't like the smaller style. It does not fit with my hair texture personally. So I do love that bigger, chunkier effect that it does give. So I am on the last twist here. So at the front, I actually start to do kind of like a flat twist, just so those front pieces do lay down a little better once I do take the twist out. But this is really, like I said, this is my go-to because I'm usually busy and I don't have time to do like an actual hairstyle, especially right now. Things seem to have vamped up in my life. So if you guys try this and it does work for you, make sure to leave a rose emoji in the comments. If you want to see more content like this, let me know as well. As you guys can see, my hair is back to life, nice and bouncy, moisturized, and I am all done. So we are going to finish it up by oiling our scalp and add a little bit of oil to our ends, and then you guys already know it's time to go night night. All right, and thank you guys again for joining me, and remember to design a life that inspires. Bye.